Welcome. Today we explore the mysteries of science and the unknown. We delve into the ominous realm of Disease X. Disease X represents the knowledge that a serious international epidemic could be caused by a pathogen currently unknown to cause human disease. Disease X is a placeholder concept that refers to a pandemic pathogen that has not yet been characterized. We live in a world where emerging infectious diseases are becoming increasingly common. Disease X represents the ever-looming threat of a new pathogen that could wreak havoc on humanity. Throughout history, mankind has faced numerous deadly pandemics, from the Black Death to the Spanish flu. And with the rise of globalization and urbanization, the risk of a new, devastating outbreak is greater than ever before. Disease X could arise from a variety of sources, such as zoonotic diseases jumping from animals to humans, or through the mutation of existing pathogens. Most probable characteristics would be: 1. It's likely to be spread through respiration because that's more efficient for a pathogen. 2. It's likely to be a virus, not bacteria or fungus. The key to combating Disease X lies in early detection, rapid response, and international cooperation.
A surveillance system was necessary because what we needed was early detection, early response.
World Health Organization launched a global scientific process to update the list of priority pathogens to guide global investment, research and development, especially in vaccines, tests, and treatments. Last list generated about this problem on November 21, 2022. The priority diseases were COVID-19, Crimean Congo hemorrhagic fever, Ebola virus disease and Marburg virus disease, Lassa fever, Middle East respiratory syndrome coronavirus, and severe acute respiratory syndrome, Nipah and henipaviral diseases, Rift Valley fever, Zika. Disease X. This is not an exhaustive list, nor does it indicate the most likely causes of the next epidemic. Since November 2022, a new approach has been implemented, focusing on entire classes of viruses or bacteria rather than individual pathogens. The updated World Health Organization list of priority pathogens of epidemic and pandemic threat is expected to be publicly released in the first half of 2024. The concept of Disease X allows people to proactively work in those viral families, to start thinking about how they are transmitted, how they impact the human body, what types of immune responses are important. United States Secretary of Defense Donald Rumsfeld once said, "There are known knowns, known unknowns, and unknown unknowns. With Disease X, we're preparing for an unknown unknown."